This is the video introduction to Lesson 9, Simple Circuit and Components of the Mr. Circuit Lab number 2. So far in our lessons, we have learned some schematic symbols and the physical characteristics of certain components. What we want to do now is lay each component in a simple circuit next to its schematic symbol in the correct orientation. First, the LED. The schematic diagram shows the cathode of the LED on the left. So we take an LED and determine which lead is the cathode. Remember how we do that? Yes, we look for the beveled edge on the plastic of the LED, or we find the shorter lead. That short lead, or the lead on the side that has the beveled edge, is the cathode lead. What we show here is the LED next to its schematic symbol with the cathode lead on the left. Now let's look at the battery snap. It has two wires, red and black. As you know, the black lead is the negative. That black lead needs to be connected to the cathode of the LED. So you see here we position the battery snap to show the black lead going to the cathode side of the LED. Next, we need to put the resistor on the schematic. Remember that resistors do not have polarity. Thus, it does not matter which lead on the resistor goes to the LED. We position the resistor on our schematic with one lead going to the LED and the other lead going to the positive of the battery. Just a point. Sometimes it's good to know which connection on the 9-volt battery is which. We point out here that the small stub or connection on the battery is the positive side. You may want to try to remember that point. Now what I would like you to do is fill in the answers to the questions on page 9B of your lab manual. When you complete that, you're ready to go on to the video introduction to Lesson 10 in this lab.